2025 predictions. General. Leo natives can hope for a prosperous life during June 2025. Employees may develop strong organizational skills and smart ideas with ease. They may also receive recognition from office management after facing some setbacks. This period appears to be favorable for business people. Leos planning to start businesses should begin with minimal costs. Finances could be average. Reduce unnecessary expenses, instead consider investing. Romantic life may bring happiness. Married Leos may face issues. Avoid arguments to maintain peace. Minor health problems like headaches and shoulder pain are possible. Students may perform and score well in school or college. Love and relationships. Those in love may share happiness with their partners. The married are unlikely to face any major issues. Avoid unnecessary arguments with family members for harmony. However, relationships or connecting with older family members could be strained or difficult. Some may even view your very presence in the family with contempt. But, relationships with children could be heartfelt and meaningful. Mutual give and take may build lasting trust with them. This bond could support their growth into confident personalities. Finances. Your financial status might be average. Use your money wisely. Smart investments can get you more returns than bank deposits. It can help you accumulate wealth and secure your financial future. Career. This month can bring the Leos several job offers. Those in sales and technical lines may receive small rewards. Media and film personalities may have to stay patient for success. Manufacturing professionals might receive fair compensation. Legal professionals may struggle for client recognition. Patience could be their key. Those in the health sector may also find it challenging to gain recognition. However, R&D professionals might earn significant recognition for their innovative ideas. Business. Entrepreneurs can start business units with a minimum viable investment. The focus can be on initiating projects with minimal inputs to test ideas. This approach can give time to evaluate what works before a deeper commitment. Business persons can consider expansion opportunities now. It could be a crucial time to consolidate operations and boost profits. Smart planning and strategic decisions can boost major growth. Be prompt in starting new ventures or building on existing ones. Timely action could be key for long-term business success. Health. Minor health issues may interfere with the flow of life. There could be shoulder pain, and even simple tasks might become daunting. All these can cause tremendous frustration and a drop in your productivity. Doctor consultation and treatment can help complete recovery. Education. Students in high school and lower grades might perform well. This could be an excellent time for students wishing to study abroad, when their visas may be approved quickly. Researchers may get their thesis approved. Auspicious dates. In auspicious dates,